Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Mac meets minimum Mac OS requirements and that you have an Apple ID and a Microsoft account ready. Once done, choose whether you need Microsoft 365 subscription benefits, cloud storage and ongoing updates, or a one-time Office license. This affects download and activation steps. Next, sign into your Microsoft account on the web if you purchased. Make sure payment is settled, and note the product key if you received one. Now open the Mac App Store or prepare the Microsoft installer to begin. You download Office apps from the Mac App Store for Microsoft 365 or from your Microsoft account portal for a direct installer. Choose whichever matches your purchase. After the download, double-click the installer and follow prompts, agree to terms, and provide your Mac OS admin password when asked. During installation, allow any required permissions in System Preferences under Security and Privacy so apps can run. Once the core apps install, open Word or Excel to trigger activation. Sign into your Microsoft account to link the license. You finish by opening an Office app and signing into the Microsoft account tied to your purchase. This activates the suite and syncs your OneDrive if included. Once activated, update Office via Help Check for updates to ensure compatibility. If activation fails, make sure your subscription is active and your Mac is online. Sign out and sign back in, then retry. If issues persist, reinstall the apps or run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant on another device for account diagnostics. This usually resolves license or install conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.